Ever look at that old chair and think, that could totally be a bookshelf? Well, you're not alone. Today, we're giving furniture some serious identity crises with creative repurposing ideas you never knew you needed. Number 1, turn an old ladder into a rustic bookshelf by securing wooden planks across the steps and painting them to match your decor. Number 2, transform a vintage suitcase into a quirky coffee table by adding legs or casters and applying a glass top. Number 3, repurpose an old wooden door as a unique headboard by sanding it down and applying a fresh coat of paint. Number 4, convert a weathered dresser into a charming kitchen island by adding a countertop and applying a fresh coat of paint. Number 5, use an outdated entertainment center as a chic wine bar by removing excess shelves and installing wine racks. Number 6, turn a wooden chair into a funky swing by removing the legs and hanging it securely from a sturdy tree branch. Number 7, transform a discarded piano into a statement shelf by removing the keys and painting it vibrant colors. Number 8, use an old bathtub as a garden planter, perfect for adding a whimsical touch to your backyard. Number 9, repurpose a wooden wardrobe into a cozy reading nook by adding pillows, lighting, and your favorite books. Number 10, turn worn-out shutters into a decorative room divider by joining them with hinges and applying a trendy coat of paint. Number 11, make a vintage sewing machine table into a vanity by adding a mirror and freshening it up with paint. Number 12, transform old crates into a coffee table by stacking them and adding a glass top for a rustic look. Number 13, turn a dresser drawer into a cute pet bed by lining it with soft fabric and adding some cushion. Number 14, use a retired bicycle as a planter by placing baskets with soil over the frame. It's pedal-powered gardening. Number 15, convert a wooden pallet into a wall-mounted herb garden by adding planting pockets or small pots. Number 16, use an outdated ladder as a towel rack in the bathroom for a splash of rustic charm. Number 17, repurpose a broken crib into a bench by removing one side and adding seat cushions. Number 18, turn a vintage vanity chair into a bedside table by painting it and adding a flat wooden top. Number 19, use an old headboard as a coat rack by attaching hooks and securing it to the wall. Number 20, transform a barn door into a sliding room divider for a trendy farmhouse look. These creative hacks not only breathe new life into old furniture, but also add character and individuality to your living space. Make sure to unleash your imagination and create something truly unique from pieces that seem destined for the trash heap. But remember, try not to get too emotionally attached if your revamped furniture piece suddenly gains sentience and starts criticizing your decor choices. It probably just needs a fresh coat of shellac.